Bulldozers today rolled into Delhi's Shaheen Bagh, the heart of citizenship law protests, for an anti-encroachment drive that was halted when traders and Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan assured that illegal structures would be removed. The drive by South Delhi's BJP-controlled civic body started amid heavy police presence today as local residents gathered to protest an exercise that critics allege targets one community. As a bulldozer arrived at a busy market around 10:15 am, supporters of the Congress sat on front of the machine in protest, blocking its way. Soon, Aapsokla MLA Amanatullah Khan arrived at the spot. Mr. Khan said he had got all illegal structures removed already and none were left. The SDMC has reportedly prepared a 10-day action plan to remove encroachment from several areas, including Shaheen Bagh. Shaheen Bagh had become one of the most prominent spots of the nationwide against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2 years ago. News Desk.